Hey guys, quick video. Learned a new skill and tried out a new camera. This is going to be a really quick video about soldering 1/2-inch copper pipe, and one thing that I learned about it that will make you cuss over and over again for 13 hours straight. Ask me how I know. This is the basic to it. After cleaning, fluxing, and prepping my pipes here, I'm going to heat it. And I'm heating it just on one side. What I'm doing is I'm heating that side up past the melting point of the flux, or the solder I mean, and I'm testing it on the other side to see if that heat has transferred all the way over. As soon as it does, I can remove my heat, and what you're going to see is you're going to see the actual solder come racing around the fitting itself. I'm going to add a little bit more heat. You can kind of see it bubbling, bring it around. That's it. Alright, so that's the basic soldering. Heat one side to get the other side to the melting point, touch it to that side, and then watch it race around. If it doesn't race around, or if your fitting pulls off, then you didn't either get it too hot or you got some contamination on there. I can cool it off real quick. And I can give it a tug. And she's on there. Easy way to tell if you're doing it right. Just reverse engineer it. Heat it back up on one side to melt all that solder again. There you go. What you should see, is this silver solder that has gone all the way around just from touching it on one spot. I think it's nucleation or whatever it is. You want it to draw all the way in there and seal all the way around. It's not so obvious on the fitting itself, but you can really tell that it's penetrated all the way down there. Test it out before you guys get into a corner somewhere for 13 hours straight trying to figure this out. Hope it helps.